my dear students, welcome to Teachers Daily. I hope you all are able to follow my videos. Please support my channel by liking and sharing with your friends. If anybody still remind to subscribe my channel, please subscribe it also. We have finished 2 questions of exercise 9.1. Today we are starting with our third question. Let's see what is the third question. Our third question is, if sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So here you can see the question. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. You have to calculate what is cos A and tan A. So here I am writing our trick. So which trick we can use here? We can use SOHCAHTOA. You know that sin means ratio of opposite to hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent to hypotenuse. Tan means opposite to adjacent. If you are new to my channel, please watch my previous videos. Then only it will be really easy for you to understand what I am going to teach in today's session. If you need any clarification, you can mention in the comment box. So we can start with our question. So here we can see sin A is equal to 3 by 4. So you know that according to sin A means opposite to hypotenuse. According to our reference angle, you know that which one is the opposite side? BC is the opposite side. And which side is the hypotenuse? You know that side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So according to this one, we know that AC is our hypotenuse. So now we can complete our triangle. So 3. So what is BC here? 3. And what is AC? 4. So BC is equal to 3 and AC is equal to 4. So here you can see in this triangle there are 2 sides given. One side is missing. So we have to find the third side of this triangle. How we can find the third side of the triangle? Yes, you are right. We can find the third side of the triangle by Pythagoras theorem. So let's see how we can find base square. So here you can see AB is our base. So what is the formula for base square? Base square is equal to hypotenuse square minus height square. So what is hypotenuse square here? AC square minus what is height square? BC square. So AB square is equal to AC. What is the value for AC? 4 square minus what is the measurement of BC? 3 square. So 16 minus 9. So you know that AB is equal to 16 minus 9 is 7. So AB is equal to square root of 7. So we found the value for AB, that is root 7. So now our triangle is ready. So now we can come to our question. You know that cosec. C means cos. Cos means adjacent to hypotenuse. Adjacent to hypotenuse. You know that according to reference angle, what is the adjacent side? The side which contains 90 degree and the reference angle is called adjacent side. So what is adjacent side here? AB is our adjacent side. You know that hypotenuse is AC. So what is the value for AB? Root 7. And what is the value for AC? 4. So we found the value for cos A. Let's see what is tan A. So you know that tan means opposite to adjacent. From this triangle you can understand according to reference angle what is opposite? BC is the opposite side. Adjacent side is AB. So what is the value for BC? 3. And what is the value for AB? Root 7. So we found the value for cos A and tan A using the value of sin A. I hope you understood question number 3. Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. So from this we can find cos A and tan A. We have discussed 2 tricks for introduction to trigonometry. If you use any of the tricks, it will be really easy for you. So for this question we use SOHCAHTOA. So you can use any of the tricks, no problem. So I hope you understood this question.